If you want to use voice navigation, basically voice access on a Samsung S25, start by opening settings, and right now you have to go into accessibility. Right here, open interaction and dexterity and go into voice access. First of all, you will have to turn it on with this feature and then find a method to actually fit your preferences to access voice access. And in my case, I'm actually using the accessibility button, but also I'm clicking here if I want to start navigating with my voice. If you open it for the first time, then you will have to actually scroll down and accept some permissions for microphone especially. And here it will be very useful if you open voice access mode and, just read them and remember how you can navigate with this. So I'm gonna just quickly show you how it actually works. Open settings, scroll down, battery, second, 2, power saving, 2. Okay, so as you can see, there's actually some delay between all of these actions, but it works pretty nice. And if you actually learn all of this, voice commands, that you will don't even need your hands to actually operate on the phone.